1, action.
Wow! You are beautiful.
I know. Everybody tells me that.
Oh, please, please, please! Could I marry you?
Everyone says that.
But please!
Well, if you cross the river in 10 minutes, you can have my heart.
Is it? Okay.
Time's ticking.
How am I going to get out of this? Excuse me? Can I have a ride on your back? No way. Why not? You'll sting me. Oh, flaunting your ugly self. Please, let me ride on your back. No. I won't sting you, I promise.
But I need one favour. Never sting a frog in your life.
Oh, yeah. Let's do this. Let's go. But I love her.
Oh my gosh, this always happens.
What did I do?